Are you looking for the best hand mixers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best hand mixers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-Speed Hand Mixer. This hand mixer is quiet, comfortable in the hand, small, and easily maneuverable. It's the total package and the one we'd most enthusiastically recommend. With 9 different speeds, a one-touch speed control, and a simple on-off button, Cuisinart's Power Advantage Plus hand mixer is one of the best hand mixers you can buy. This mixer's 9 speeds range from slow and steady to surprisingly fast. Instead of a physical toggle, users can press the large buttons on its handle to crank up or turn down the power. This was one of our team's favorite models to test because it offers pretty much everything that a good mixer should have at a cost that's fair for its performance level. It comes with 2 standard beaters, 2 dough hooks, a spatula, and a snap-on storage container to help keep everything organized. Even the cord fits inside. One happy reviewer points out another smart feature of this hand mixer: unlike most mixers which supply their motors with different electric powers at different settings, this mixer supplies electric power partially based on the mixing speeds. In other words, it will supply an extra burst of power to the motor when the mixing speed is slow, like mixing tough dough. It only does so temporarily to avoid overheating the motor. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Helix Performance Hand Mixer. This hand mixer looks and feels like a premium product, although it's surprisingly inexpensive. It's powerful yet quiet, which are 2 features that you rarely see in the same product. With 5 speeds, plus a turbo boost feature at any speed interval, durable reinforced nylon beaters, and a very powerful 250-watt motor, the BLACK+DECKER Helix Performance Hand Mixer can handle virtually any baking task, from kneading to whipping. It also comes with 2 dough hooks and a single whisk attachment, making it one of the more versatile mixers that we tested. The best part about this model is that you can skip the earplugs next time you want to beat together a batch of chocolate chip cookies. Our team's testing found that its motor runs at a pleasantly low decibel hum that won't wake up the neighbors. Its beater heads also have no exposed metal, and the rubberized coating muffles any ear-splitting clanging against the side of your mixing bowl. That's great news for all of you midnight bakers. We love its modern, streamlined design and the fact that it also comes in 5 other colors to match various kitchen aesthetics. Its included storage case can keep all of its attachments and the cord neatly stowed together. Number 3. KitchenAid 7-Speed Cordless Hand Mixer. If the words cordless hand mixer make your eyes light up, this is the model to get. It is easy to use anywhere in the kitchen and can handle standard baking tasks without issue. Just keep in mind that you're paying for design convenience, not versatility. The KitchenAid 7-Speed Cordless Hand Mixer untethers you from your outlets, so you can bake wherever there's more elbow room in your kitchen, or elsewhere in the world. This device is designed with a lithium-ion battery that fully recharges from empty in under 2 hours, and its handy power indicator lets you know its current level so you're never caught with a dead battery mid-mix. In a pinch, you can still use the device while it's attached to its charging cord. This hand mixer is lightweight and equipped with 7 speeds, along with a genius soft start feature that powers up the device slowly so that you don't splatter your batter everywhere. It also comes in a range of fun colors. The cordless design is its key selling point. It doesn't come with any other attachments besides the 2 beaters, and reviewers say that it's not the quietest device. Its straight handle may also be tricky to use for those with limited wrist mobility. One satisfied baker raves that this mixer is perfection: lightweight, easy to use, cleans in the blink of an eye. An NO cord dangling across counters or ready to attack the beaters without provocation. I can use it several times before charging. I have never run out of power. Number 4. Breville Handy Mix Scraper Hand Mixer. This substantial hand mixer is up to pretty much any kitchen task, from flour sifting to dough kneading. If you're not ready to commit to the shelf space required by a stand mixer, this is a great alternative that offers a ton of power at a cheaper price. The Breville Handy Mix Scraper is one of the smartest hand mixers our team has ever used. Equipped with an electronic sensor that automatically scrolls through 9 speeds to ensure consistent mixing, this intuitive kitchen appliance is up to virtually any baking task. While this hand mixer model is a powerhouse, it is also the heaviest and most expensive of the bunch. Luckily, its ergonomically shaped handle will help you get an easier grip on it. And if you're a serious baker, its ability to power through big batches of all types of dough in less time will help justify the cost, an arm workout. The Breville comes with 2 dough hooks, 2 balloon whisks, and a snap-on case, but we particularly love its dual silicone-tipped scraper beaters that hit every nook and cranny of the mixing bowl without making a loud clacking sound, a very important benefit. They are also much easier to clean than standard beaters due to the coated endings on each whisk, though they should be cleaned by hand, not in the dishwasher. Number 5. KitchenAid 5-Speed Hand Mixer. If you typically bake soft and easy-to-mix projects like pumpkin pie filling, whipped egg whites for meringue, melted chocolate, or doughy pie crusts, this is an easy-to-use mixer that's comfortable to hold and looks great in any kitchen. Featuring a lighter-than-average weight at just 2 pounds, the KitchenAid 5-Speed Hand Mixer may not be the most powerful model, but it's comfortable and easy to hold and great for beginners or even little kitchen helpers. It comes with 2 stainless steel beaters that can easily eject from the mixer with just a push of a button, which is much safer than yanking them out of the device. Bonus: when our team tested it, we found that we could lock the cord into either the left or right side of the mixer unit to approach baking projects from any angle without risking a batter-covered cord. Lefties, rejoice! This KitchenAid mixer has over 21,000 reviews and a whopping 4.7 stars on Amazon. Among the happy reviewers is one who writes, "I am beyond impressed with the KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer. This mixer is a kitchen essential for me. Its versatility allows me to handle a wide range of recipes, from gently stirring in chunky ingredients at the lowest speed to whipping egg whites or heavy cream at the highest speed.